Welcome to the IELTS Secrets podcast, your go-to resource for mastering the IELTS exam. I'm your host, Neil, an English instructor from New Zealand, here to help you unlock the secrets to success in your speaking and writing tests. Today, we'll be delving into the topic of hometowns. Question number 1. Tell me about the part of the country where you live. When you are asked about your hometown in the IELTS speaking test, it's important to structure your response using a clear template. Start by stating how long you've been living in your city. For example,
I have been living in Auckland since my childhood.
Then highlight what makes your city unique compared to other parts of your country. Here's where you can use the template. What makes my city stand out from other parts of my country is that. Follow this up with a specific example, such as,
One particular place that's especially fascinating is the Sky Tower since it offers breathtaking views of the city and the surrounding landscapes.
Now let's look at question number 2. What are the main ways of earning money in this area? Again, structure your response using a simple template. Begin with, one way to earn a living in my area would be, followed by an example such as,
One way to earn a living in Auckland would be through jobs in the tourism industry, as the city attracts millions of visitors each year.
Then mention another significant source of income using the template. Apart from this, a significant number of people are actively involved in. For instance,
Apart from this, a significant number of people are actively involved in agriculture because New Zealand is known for its fertile lands and dairy farming.
now let's look at question number 3. What are some of the advantages and disadvantages of living in this area? Organize your response using a straightforward template. Begin with, one of the major benefits of living in my area would be, followed by an advantage such as,
One of the major benefits of living in Auckland would be its vibrant cultural scene, with diverse communities and events happening all year round.
then introduce a second advantage using the template. The second advantage would be, for example,
The second advantage I could mention would be the proximity to stunning beaches and natural landscapes, which are perfect for outdoor activities.
finally, address the challenges using the template. However, one would have to face such major challenges as, and provide an example like,
However, one would have to face such major challenges as the high cost of living and traffic congestion, which can be stressful for residents.
and there you have it. By following these simple templates and providing clear examples, you can effectively answer questions about your hometown in the IELTS speaking test. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to send your audio responses to our website for expert evaluation and personalized feedback. Thanks for tuning in to the IELTS Secrets podcast. Until next time, happy studying.